Good day everyone, I am April Rose R. Salon, and for today's video, I am going to discuss about tests for acid and base. So without further ado, let's get started. So my objectives are to define what is acid and base, to learn more about acid and base, and to learn how to distinguish between acid and base using an indicator. So first, what is acid? So an acid is any hydrogen-containing substance that is capable of donating a proton, hydrogen ion, to another substance. An acid is any substance that in water solution tastes sour, changes blue litmus paper to red, reacts with some metals to liberate hydrogen, and reacts with bases to form salts and promotes chemical reactions or acid catalysis. And now let's define what is base. So a base is a molecule or ion able to accept a hydrogen ion from an acid. Acidic substances are usually identified by their sour taste. A base is a chemical species that donates electrons, accepts protons, or releases hydroxide ions in aqueous solution. Bases display certain characteristic properties that can be used to help identify them.
Both acids and bases are among the most important solutes in solution. At dahil na-encounter natin sila sa ating daily needs, we need to determine the difference between acids and bases. Let's start with acids. Acids are typically sour o maasim. They form solutions that conduct electricity, and they react with bases to form salt and water. How will I know if a substance is acid? I will share two tips. First, kung meron kang substance, just like this citrus fruit, if the blue litmus paper turns to red, that substance is an acid. Acid changes the color of litmus paper from blue to red. Tapos na tayo sa ating acids. Munta naman tayo sa bases. Bases taste bitter, slippery, and soapy. And they react with acids to form salt and water. How will I know if a substance is base? We will use the same method that we did when determining acids. If we have a substance, just use a red litmus paper. And if the red litmus paper turns to blue, that substance is a base.
And for now, for my generalization, acids and bases are not only important groups of chemical compounds, they are also common in our everyday life. Acid in our stomachs help digest the food we eat. We eat acids when we put vinegar in our salads for its tangy sour flavor. The proper function of our body and our health also depends on a delicately balanced acid-base composition of our blood and other body fluids. Acids and bases are also crucial components of living systems, such as the amino acids that are used to synthesize protein and the nucleic acids that code genetic information. That's all. Thank you for watching.